House and lot sa Quezon City, just 5 minutes walk from Visayas Ave and Home Depot. This fits up to 2-car parking garage, and inside, you'll feel the modern, newly renovated vibe, open and cozy and functional. May powder room for the guest, a modern kitchen na ready for your family meals, plus guest room with its own toilet and bath, and the service area for extra convenience. Sa taas, meron po 2 spacious bedroom and a clean common bathroom. Perfect for the kids or guests. At syempre, ang master's bedroom, may walk-in closet, private toilet and bath, at balcony para sa morning coffee mo habang tanaw mo ang tahimik na neighborhood. Kung hanap mo isang modern, flood-free home sa prime area ng Quezon City, this could be your next address.